Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious burrito bowl at home. First, decide on your base. Fluffy rice or crisp lettuce both work wonderfully. Next, cook your protein of choice. Chicken, ground beef, or black beans are excellent options. While that's cooking, chop up some fresh vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and corn. This foundational step sets the stage for a truly satisfying meal. Now, let's talk about those essential fillings that bring a burrito bowl to life. Seasoned black beans are a must for a hearty and flavorful addition. A fresh, vibrant salsa, bursting with tomatoes, onions, and cilantro, adds a wonderful tang. Don't forget to sauté some bell peppers and onions for that classic fajita taste. These elements truly elevate the bowl's texture and taste profile. To complete your burrito bowl, creamy toppings and fresh garnishes are key. A dollop of sour cream or a zesty lime crema adds a delightful richness. Generously sprinkle shredded cheddar or cottage cheese over everything for a savory touch. Finally, fresh avocado slices or a scoop of homemade guacamole provide that perfect creamy finish. These additions make every bite incredibly satisfying. Now for the best part, assembling your perfect burrito bowl. Start with your base, then layer in your protein, beans, and vegetables. Add your salsa, cheese, and creamy toppings last. Give it a good mix to combine all those amazing flavors. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including that car air freshener. Enjoy your delicious, homemade burrito bowl, customized exactly how you like it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.